Overrated, overpriced, or absolutely worth it? Let's spill the tea on Mokai. Take the juiciest online reviews about these places.
Grilled chicken sandwich below mediocre.
Below mediocre. Introduces horrible service, no sense of title. Let's find out.
I think I'll order this again.
Ultimate clarity test.
Yum. I'm going to order.
This is everything you want in a croissant rice. Hello everyone, my name is Clary John and welcome to Binge or Bounce, a show where we uncover hidden gems and foodie treasures and take the juiciest online reviews about these places and put them to the ultimate clarity test to find out if the hype is real or not. And today we are in Bandra, about to dive into Mokai, a place that's all over your feet. Honestly, I am very excited to know what people had to say about Mokai. Let's get started. The first review says, horrible service, no sense of title. Okay, timing is everything when it comes to dining, guys. But only time will tell. The next review says, chocolate croissant was top notch, grilled cheese sandwich below mediocre. Okay, that sounds like a nightmare. The next review says, flourless chocolate cake seems to be made with bad quality chocolate and tastes odd. Honestly, a bad quality chocolate can ruin everything. The final review says, tiramisu latte was a letdown. Couldn't taste tiramisu. Wait, no tiramisu flavor in a tiramisu latte? See, here's the plan, guys. We are going to order all the reviewed items and put them to the ultimate clarity test and rate Mokai on food quality, ambience, service, and value for money. Let's go. So let's begin with the croissant. The review said it's top notch, but let's see if it lived up to the buzz. Alright, my croissant is here. I'm too excited to dive in. This is everything you want in a croissant rice. It's buttery, flaky. Curry, I'm gonna take another bite. And oh, so satisfying. Definitely a wish. Next we have is the grilled chicken sandwich. And the review said it's below mediocre. Let's find out. Alright, the sandwich is here. It's a grilled chicken sandwich in sourdough bread with some nice crisps on the side. So, let's find out. Let's take a bite. Below mediocre. Guys, this is a solid sandwich. The chicken's tender. The bread's nice and crispy. I think I'll order this again. So now for the flourless chocolate cake, the review said it tasted bad and the quality of chocolate was very, very bad. Since the flourless cake is not available, I'm going to order the chocolate crunch cake to find out if it's as bad as you say. This is so smooth and chocolatey. It hits the right spot. And honestly, the chocolate is like of really good quality. I'm going to take another bite, guys. It's so yummy. And finally, we have the tiramisu latte. Now, the reviewer said it was a letdown. But honestly, it looks pretty awesome. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Yum. It's subtle and I think subtle go. I like this. It's sweet and not at all overpowering. Tira is right now there if you're paying attention on anything. It's a quiet little win. Love it. So it's time to review the ambience. Mokai sure doesn't scream Japan, but it has a nice minimalistic charm that works. And when it comes to the graffiti, you know how much I love it. It's like a nice Japanese fusion with a side of street style. And when it comes to service, I think the staff is polite, friendly, and on point. Absolutely love the service. And when it comes to value for money, I think you're paying for the vibe, food, and the service. And Mokai is worth the price.
Honestly, there's no need for individual ratings because this place deserves a solid 5 on 5 across the board.
I am so full. So did Mokai pass the clarity test? Absolutely. It's definitely a binge-worthy experience. But you guys let me know in the comments whether you're team veteran. And until then, this is Clary John signing off. Stay hungry, stay curious, stay clarified.